I think every time I get an infant who is sick that we have to take care of, I take it as a challenge more than anything. And the end result is making sure the baby gets better, has a quality of care. That's very important for us. It's not just saving the baby, but also saving with good quality of life. As I always say, we cure 5%, we comfort 95%. I had 2 premature babies myself, and I was in preterm labor at 24 weeks. So that helps me to understand what the mothers are going through when they are sitting on that bed. We have reunion every year. We invite the last 3-year babies went through our NICU. I will be non-stop talking to the families in the reunion, and they always tell me about what I said to them when I first met them. I cannot remember what I said, but they clearly remember what I said. They will always say, "Thank you very much for that comforting message that you gave us." So that makes me feel very good about what I'm doing.